Now we move to problem solving and conflict resolution. Finding the source of the problem is what we're going to be looking at. When you're hungry, it's easy to get caught up in the emotions and overlook the root cause of the problem. A key aspect of long-term anger management is learning to identify the real source of your anger. Often, anger stems from unmet needs or unresolved issues. For example, feeling overworked might lead to anger at your boss, but the real issue could be the lack of work-life balance. Another one can also be being annoyed with a friend or canceling plans might actually reflect a deeper feelings of rejection. By identifying the underlying cause, you can address the problem more effectively and reduce the chances of anger building over time. Activities you can put in practice. Think of a recent conflict where you felt angry. What was the surface issue? And what do you think the real issue was? Write it down in your journal and reflect on how understanding the deeper cause might have changed the way you handle the situation. Now let's move to problem solving skills to reduce anger. Once you've identified the root cause of the problem, the next step is to develop problem solving skills to address it. Effective problem solving can help prevent future conflict and reduce anger. Here's a simple 5-step process for solving problems. The first one says, identify the problem. That is, clearly define the issue that's causing anger. Second one says, brainstorm solutions. Think of as many possible solutions as you can, even if some seems unrealistic at first. Then evaluate options. Weigh the pros and cons of each solution. The fourth one says, choose a solution. Decide which option seems most realistic and fair. So the fifth one says, implement the solution. Put your plan into action and monitor the results. For example, let's say you are angry because your coworker keeps interrupting you during meetings. The problem is the interruptions, and a possible solution could be talking to your coworker privately and setting boundaries around speaking turns. What are the activities you can put in practice? Identify a current issue that is causing you stress or anger. Apply the 5-step problem solving process and see if you can find a solution that helps reduce your frustration. Moving on, let's examine resolving conflicts without escalating emotions. Conflict is inevitable in life, but how we handle it can make all the differences. When conflict escalates, emotions run high and anger can spiral out of control. But with the right strategies, conflict can be resolved calmly and constructively. Here are some tips for resolving conflicts without escalating emotions. 1. Stay focused on the issue. Staying focused on the issue is like avoiding bringing up unrelated past conflicts, and this only adds fuel to the fire. Manage your tone and body language. Keep your tone calm and avoid aggressive gesture. Take break when needed. If the conflict is getting too heated, suggest taking a short break to cool down before continuing the conversation. Also, using compromise and negotiation. Be willing to find a middle ground. Conflict resolution isn't about winning, it's about finding a solution that works for both parties.